Racing just is started. We have against all odds break quickly restart. Rushing upon the young series fireworks, then followed by Gates of Money. Moving upon the young series twice as lucky. Director's Gold comes next. Ariana Mimo. Region 3 comes next. Maligalig. Then next on Lenny's Time to Shine Dead. Court of Honor comes next, then followed by Richco, Divine Wisdom, Peace Needed second last, while movie title is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have against all odds by our length and a half, and in second is Director's Gold twice as lucky. Rushing up now is Court of Honor. In between horses now is Gates of Money. Region 3, Ariana Mimo comes next. Time to Shine Dead, Maligalig, Richco, then alongside comes Divine Wisdom, Fireworks, Peace Needed, while movie title is still racing in 14th. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Court of Honor. This time by about 4 lengths, followed by Against All Odds in second. And as they swing to room, Court of Honor enjoying a 4 lengths lead Against All Odds. Moving upon the outside, now it's Time to Shine Dead. And finally, the curtain closer, Court of Honor. The second, Time to Shine Dead. June 3, Gates of Money.
Alright, outstanding play with a Court of Honor. Crossing the wire first, run by John Alvin Gusa, then Nasi Segundo in Nuevo. Time to Shine Dead, then June 3, Gates of Money. Yan, nabitin tayo ng mga apat lang.